So guys, let me show you where I'm thinking of dropping the charger. So I hope to install it under here. This is where, under this seat, this is the rear seat. Under the rear seat is where the fuel tank went. And I figure if I can install it under here, then I can easily reach where the charge port goes. So I'm gonna cut a hole out and see how that goes. So one of the reasons I want to put the charger here is because it allows us to kill two birds with one stone, meaning that we can cut out the rust and install the charger all at the same time. Well, I'm gonna draw myself some guidelines and probably end up cutting this out in a couple passes. That's bad right there. Interesting. Oh, what comedy. And she's out. I really don't know how good that is. That is really bad metal. So it's like 50-50. This is good and this is bad. Great. Now what? It clears easily. Just gotta figure out how to mount it. So here's a charger just resting on the floor jack. I'm gonna crawl underneath her, bring you guys along, and hopefully we can summon my creative brain, see how we mount it. So here we are once again underneath the Rabbit. So there's a floor jack, obviously, and it's just resting. And it's like, how do you mount this? You know, a lot of times you want to scoop under it and kind of make a rail or a rack for it. But what if we just hung it from the top? You know what I mean? Could we get away with something like that? There, can I reach? Sorry guys. There's this. I think there might be two of those. The mountings are on the bottom, but what if I just kind of hung it? That's what I might look into, because I don't want to, the cradle might get in the way of this semi-independent torsion bar suspension. There is also this bolt from the tank where the tank was hanging. There's actually two of them. There's one here. So if I wanted to cheat, I could put the charger in the middle and maybe use those. And just rest it on those after all that cutting there of sheet metal. Interesting. Yeah, let me do some thinking.